This normal looking washroom is actually very extraordinary because it's made up of waste, not stone. But how is this made from waste? How many plastic wrappers have been used to make this? And just washrooms can be made from this or buildings too? Rhino Machine is the company that makes these bricks. These bricks are not made of sand nor of plastic wrappers only. The company was doing sand casting business for a long time, but in this sand casting, the used sand got burned. To give shape to any object, firstly its mold is created. And most commonly, metal molds are created in sand, in which boiling metal is added. And when it is cooled, it takes the shape of the mold. The process is called sand casting. And this process is repeated so many times that sand gets burned and that gets converted into a toxic waste. This burned sand is categorized as waste product and its name foundry dust. And this foundry dust is considered as hazardous waste because this foundry dust got discarded in the soil. It can toxify soil by reaching slowly inside the soil. Even this foundry waste can pollute water bodies which affect the human and aquatic life. Whenever we purchase an item, we use that item and we throw the wrapper. That's why plastic waste is a big problem. But the company used this plastic waste as a binder.
So let's see how they make bricks. In the process of making these bricks, firstly we collect plastic waste from different housing societies and then it is cut into small pieces in production unit, and then 70% of the foundry gets mixed with 30% plastic. Then we heat that mixture and melt it to create a texture that can be poured into any mold. Then it's gone into a vessel to shape it like a brick or pavement block, and it got ready after cooling. These are the bricks which are made of 100% waste, and these bricks are 2 times stronger than traditional bricks and weight less than 700 grams. From these bricks, the first structure we made was a toilet, so that we can check the performance of these bricks. We know that sanitization is a big problem in rural and suburban areas. Even today there are so many places where washroom facilities are not available. So think if we make any toilets by using these bricks, then so many problems will be solved. Firstly, foundry waste will be used. Secondly, plastic can be upcycled. And thirdly, many toilets can be built in India. Means 100 metric tons of total waste from our environment saved. This company is trying to set this machine in villages and districts so that they can tie up with Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and make use of the waste, and the people can be employed of that region. Isn't that amazing? Now the hazardous items that harm the environment become upcycled and highly valuable items. So you can collect your waste of plastic wrappers and send that to this address so that your waste can be upcycled.